First, go to Titles tab, add default title. Go to Edit Properties and type any word you want. Change the font size and type. Click OK. Take a snapshot. Click on the title. Go to Edit Properties, Advanced. Change the fill type to gradient and adjust the colors. Click OK. Add the snapshot in the second track. Right click, go to Edit Properties, Mask, and add a double line mask. Then proceed by customizing it as follows. Add a keyframe at the start, then move the period at around 3 seconds. Then customize the exposition. Click OK, then click the render icon. So that is how you create text light sweep effect.
No more promos, no more photos, no more logos, no more chocos. We on Bezos, we get payrolls, trips to Legos, connect like Legos. Make this final, make this my eyes closed. Burn false idols, Jesus disciples. I can feel your pain now, I done bled my vein now. New level the game now, simulation change. No more problems, no more argue.